Hello, friends, and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today, Edureify is in front of you for all the aspirants of WBPSC examinations. WBSC exams ka full form is West Bengal Civil Services Exams, and as we all know, this exam annually recruiting eligible candidates under numerous executive category group A, B, C, and D post. So this is for the lucrative government exam, and this competition stakes are expected to highlight every year, but with the right preparation sources, strategies, and the relevant questions. So, edurify.com, as you can see, our website is already open on my screen. So, today we are going to show you the study roadmap which you can use and ace the examination in the first attempt. सो जिसने भी अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड हिट ऑन द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट फर्दर हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं WBCS एग्जाम से रिलेटेड, उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए और आप इजीली एक्सेस कर सकें. सो बेसिकली एड्यूरीफाई इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू study material and mock test, the online mock test, online practice test, to do practice regarding the questions which are most important and frequently asked in the WBCS examinations. So you don't have to move here and there and search for the questions. You are going to get all the questions which are important and will surely come in 2022 WBCS examinations on Edureify's platform. So as you can see here, this is WBCS examination. So as we know that three-stage WBCS selection process consists of a preliminary, main, and the last personality test round. So for the prelims, and it carries 200 MCQs worth 200 marks from 8 parts, while the main syllabus consists of 6 compulsory papers and 2 papers of one optional subject. So as you can see that we are providing you the monthly pass, which was earlier 599, but now it's been reduced and it's for 149. So this is the best optimal offer for you to please avail it. If you want to attempt unlimited number of mock tests, practice tests, custom tests, then you can buy this monthly pack and get the advantage of solving mock tests with the real exam experience. So as you can see, there are free tests as well. You can attempt these free tests and check your online score, that currently what's your position and how much effort is required to reach that particular goal. तो चलिए देखते हैं हम अपना एक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करके. सो हेयर वी गो फॉर custom test. So simply you have to log in with your Gmail ID or Google. एंड जिसने भी अभी तक हमारी ऐप को डाउनलोड नहीं किया है, टाइप एड्यूरीफाई लर्निंग ऐप ऑन गूगल प्ले स्टोर एंड आपको वहाँ से ईजिली मिल जाएगी. आप डाउनलोड करिए, इंस्टॉल करिए अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन्स में और मॉक टेस्ट दीजिए. सो इस क्वेश्चन पेपर के अंदर टोटल एज यू कैन see 200 questions are there, and this is the time limit, and within this time limit you have to complete all these 200 questions. So first question is, Garo Hills is a part of which among the following states of India? A, Meghalaya, B, Nagaland, C, Mizoram, D, Manipur. So it's, where is Garo Hills? So we are selecting our answer and saving. So likewise, you can attempt all the questions, save your answer, and then submit your test and see your performance analysis. So students, don't waste time. It's the most appropriate time to solve maximum number of mock tests. So edurify करो, पढ़ाई करो. Thank you.